Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage virtual assistants with OnlineJobs.ph, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage virtual assistants effectively using OnlineJobs.ph, begin by setting clear goals for your tasks. Identify the specific skills you need from a virtual assistant. Craft a detailed job description outlining responsibilities and required qualifications. Post your job listing on OnlineJobs.ph. Review applications thoroughly, focusing on relevant experience and skills. Conduct interviews with shortlisted candidates to assess their compatibility with your business values. Ask situational questions to gauge problem-solving abilities and work ethic. Once you select a candidate, negotiate the terms of employment, including pay and working hours. Provide the new virtual assistant with an onboarding process to familiarize them with your business and set up communication channels such as email, chat apps, or project management tools. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss progress and address any issues. Create a feedback loop to help your virtual assistant improve and grow. Define key performance indicators to measure their success. Encourage your virtual assistant to ask questions and seek clarification whenever needed. Foster a positive working relationship through encouragement and recognition of good work. Be patient as they adjust to your working style and processes. Continuously evaluate their performance and provide constructive feedback. Adapt your management style based on what works best for the virtual assistant. Utilize tools for tracking tasks and productivity to stay organized. Document processes and workflows to ensure clarity and efficiency. As your virtual assistant settles in, gradually increase their responsibilities. Encourage them to take initiative and provide suggestions for improvement. Maintain open lines of communication to foster a collaborative environment. Regularly revisit goals and expectations to align on priorities. Celebrate successes and milestones, no matter how small. With consistent management and support, your virtual assistant can become an invaluable asset to your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.